Have you ever wondered if there's a magical tool out there that can help you achieve financial freedom? A tool that can turn your chaotic spending habits into a well-organized budget? Many people swear by YNAB, but the big question is, can you use YNAB for free? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the free or paid question, let's quickly define what YNAB is. YNAB stands for You Need a Budget. It's a budgeting app that takes a unique approach to managing your finances. Instead of focusing on tracking your spending, YNAB emphasizes giving every dollar a job. This means you allocate your income to specific categories like housing, food, transportation, and savings before you even spend it. The free trial. One way to experience YNAB without committing to a paid subscription is to try the free trial. YNAB offers a 34-day free trial, which gives you ample time to explore the app's features and decide if it's the right fit for you. During the trial, you can create a budget, track your spending, and set financial goals. The paid subscription. While the free trial is a great way to get started, YNAB's full potential lies in its paid subscription. The paid version offers additional features and benefits that can significantly enhance your budgeting experience. These features include unlimited budgets. Create multiple budgets for different areas of your life, such as personal and business finances. Budgeting tools. Access powerful tools like the debt avalanche and debt snowball to tackle your debts efficiently. Community support. Connect with a supportive community of fellow YNAB users who can offer advice and encouragement. Mobile app. Enjoy the convenience of budgeting on the go with the YNAB mobile app. Is YNAB worth the cost? The question of whether YNAB is worth the cost is a personal one. It depends on your individual financial goals and how much value you place on a well-organized budget. If you're struggling to manage your finances, YNAB can provide the structure and tools you need to take control of your money. Alternatives to YNAB. If you're not ready to commit to YNAB's paid subscription, there are several free alternatives available. Some popular options include Mint, a comprehensive financial management app that offers budgeting, bill tracking, and investment tracking. Pocket Guard, a simple budgeting app that automatically categorizes your transactions and tracks your spending. Everydollar, a budget planner that focuses on giving every dollar a job, similar to YNAB. So, can you use YNAB for free? Yes, you can. The free trial allows you to test the app and see if it's right for you. However, to unlock YNAB's full potential, you'll need to invest in a paid subscription. Whether or not it's worth the cost is a decision only you can make. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.